There you go. Welcome to Chef Nano's Kitchen. Today we're going to make stuffed peppers, my favorite. Okay, here we go. Now trim the peppers, get a little knife and just go around a circle. And you can take that inside right out. Then try to find a flat side that looks like it's flat. So cut them sideways. Turn it over. Then you go and clean the inside out and everything, the seeds and everything. I already did some already trimmed here. And then we'll put them in a pan. Before on the pan, I just rub a little butter lightly so we won't burn the top of the pan. I did that. Then we sprinkle a little olive oil on each pepper, like that. And we rub it in so they cook real good. Just rub the olive oil on upside down. The peppers are upside down. All right, then we've done that. We'll sprinkle some salt. There we go. And then we're going to turn them over. And I have a position where they stay nice and tight, the way I have them set up. And we're going to stuff them. Ready to mix everything. We take the ground beef, put it in a good sized bowl. And this is 1.5 pounds. It might be a little more than what we need, but if you have some left over, a lot of times I'll make a little meatloaf out of it or something. It's the same almost ingredients. Put the egg in there. Okay, and then gotta mix it up a little bit. Get this out of here. Ground peppers and onions. Put the breadcrumbs. Put the rice. And we got the garlic, a little bit of parsley, a little pinch of black pepper, a little salt, and we're all set. And then another thing I forgot, there's already garlic in there, basil we don't need, a little Parmesan cheese, Romano. Okay, and then we just mix it up. Stuff them. Take the pepper with your hand, just put a whole bunch in there. Sometimes with your thumb, make sure you fill the inside. Stuff it real good. And just flatten it down. You may have a little bit at the end there off. And you can leave like a little belly in the middle. So then you can put a little sauce and cheese on it. So that's one down. And this is what I got, 4 peppers, which comes out to 8 pieces. So then you're going to have eight stuffed peppers out of 4 peppers, cut in half. You want the peppers to lay flat. Sometimes they move, so I stuck a little extra pepper in the side just to keep it from moving. After you put the mozzarella on there, put a little bit of sauce on top because it's all going to kind of melt and burn. Okay, now I'm going to cover with foil and it's ready to go in the oven at 400. Burn yourself. There you go. Now they got to sit in the oven for another 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. It's just out of the oven, so it's hot, but manja manja. There you go.